All IELTS candidates take 4 skill-focused modules or subtests of listening, speaking, reading, and writing. There is absolutely no difference in the listening and speaking modules. Both groups will have to answer exactly the same questions. But when it comes to the other 2 skills, i.e. reading and writing, there are certain differences. Let's start with reading. The academic passages are of more academic nature and are differentiated in terms of the choice of texts, things like topic and length, and also the level of difficulty of the 40 test items. And finally, scoring. That is, if you are taking the general reading test, you need to answer more questions correctly in order to achieve a good score. I will give you more detailed information on these differences in the reading chapter. Now that we know how IELTS reading module is different between the 2 types of IELTS, let's have a look at the writing module. In both academic and general training modules, in Task 2, you need to write an essay. However, in Academic Task 1, you'll have to write a report by describing a graph, table, etc. Whereas in the General Training Task 1, you will be expected to write a letter. So, this is what IELTS looks like at a glance. As you can see, it takes 30 minutes to do the listening test, 60 minutes for reading, 60 minutes for writing, and the speaking interview will last for 11 to 14 minutes. Then overall, it takes more than 2 hours and a half to sit the whole test, apart from the speaking test, which is normally held a few days before or after the written exam.